Hey filmmaker, Chung here. Welcome to another quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to do an easy in and easy out with a transition. So first, to get a transition inside of DaVinci Resolve, we go to Effects Library here on the top left. And here we have the Effects Library, and under Toolbox, we have Video Transitions. There's quite a lot of transitions and you can try them all out. Today, we are just going to use a simple push and drag it over in between these clips, and now there is a push transition. However, when we look at it, it is a linear speed, so there's no ease in and ease out. To add a ease in, we are going to select this transition. Here you see a keyframe square or diamond shape. Press on it, and then under it you see also a new thing coming up. And on the top right of it, you see like a line with two dots. So press on it. And now we see this linear line of how the effect is. So it's a straight linear line. We want to add a curve in here, an S curve, so it ease in and ease out. So to do that, we click one of these dots, and basically you want to double click it so it becomes red. And we press here on top. We have like 4 choices, and we choose this here, and for the other we choose the other. However, we can see on the top right one the curve isn't that much as the one on the bottom, so we can drag this handle to give it a better curve, and we can also select the other and play around with the curve. And now if we play this, we can see there is an ease in and an ease out. So it's slowly and then speed up and then slows down again. So that was mainly it, how to add an ease in and an ease out in the transitions inside of DaVinci Resolve. Hope you guys find this video quite useful, and if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.